Hello, and welcome to the Introduction to Excel. We're currently looking at a blank workbook. Workbooks consist of columns and rows. And if I click in the intersection of a column and a row, it's known as a cell, and this is cell B4. If I click on another cell location, this one is H3. On another sheet here, I have the information ready entered, and we're going to do some calculating. With every formula, you need to start it with an equal sign. So I will put in the equal sign, and I'll use the point and click method. I'll click in cell location B3 plus C3, and now I will press enter. It's an automatic calculation. By clicking in this cell location, I can come down to the small green box and it becomes a black plus sign, and if I drag down, it will automatically recalculate every single person's total points. Now, if I would like to see the total points of the midpoint, I can show you another way. Come up to the editing feature, do a sum. It will look automatically up, and it will give me the formula sum B3 through B7, and I'll press enter. I can now use my fill handle again and drag across. Now I'm going to show you the beauty of Excel. If I see that Abby received 55 points and she retook her test and she got a 90, when I put in the 90 and I press enter, you will notice her total points will automatically increase. I'm going to show you average, min, max, count, and today. All of these functions can be found on the Home tab in the Editing group because they're the most common functions. So if I pick average, notice how it's automatically giving me the equal sign, the word average, and B3 through B8. But Excel only looks up and it calculates all the numbers. We do not want to include the total, that will distort it. So we're just going to drag down and include Jim through rows and press enter. I can come back up, use my fill handle, and get the average score for those tests. The min, you're going to see a repeating pattern. I'll pick minimum, and I just want to know the lowest score that the students got. So I'm once again just selecting B3 through B7. The lowest score was 72, and if I drag across, the minimum score is 78. Maximum score. Come up to the editing group, pick max. Once again, only select the student's values, press enter. Drag across. Count. Count the numbers. Count how many students took this test. The Today feature is a very nice feature, and I can show you how to type this one in. If you type in equal and the word today, and you put just the parentheses of open and close, it automatically picks up the date from your status bar. If I put equal now, same function, every time I open this workbook, this date of today and now will automatically change to the current date and time. Now I have a small comment in here that says this little squiggly it's also known as a grave key, is located above the tab key. The control key is located below the shift key. I suggest you press the control key, continue to hold it down, and press the tab key. This will turn your codes on, and this will show you your formulas. The control and the tab key is a toggle key, and it turns your formulas off. I'll do one more worksheet. This one is called monthly totals. You can go ahead and click in the monthly totals box, and I can use the auto sum. It will look across and calculate electric, gas, and water. Using the fill handle, I can drag down. It will calculate every single month. I'm going to use the auto sum again. It looks up B5 through B16. Drag across. Here are all my new formulas. And to turn my codes on, I hold down the control key and the tilde key. It will show me my formulas. Control tilde turns off my formulas. And if I come in and make a change that my gas bill in February was 315 cents, take a look at the totals. They automatically recalculate. That's the beauty of Excel.